Jai Bharat, respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I Harsh Birgavli from grade 4 MDN Future School Roha is going to conduct today's assembly along with my friends. Today on this World Population Day, we wanted to draw everyone's attention growing cancer of overpopulation. The theme this year of based on safeguarding the health and right of women and girls around the world, especially during the time of COVID-19 pandemic. Now I would like to call Anurag to deliver a pledge.
We, the students of MDN Future School Roa, hereby pledge to take stand and raise awareness around us about population growth issues, to educate friends and society, to create a sustainable world, to have a healthier planet, to educate public and issues of concern and mobilize the use of resources to address global problems, to ensure the access of primary education for both girls and boys, to make this world a better place to live in, and to understand the responsibilities of oneself.
Thank you, Anurag. Now it's time to learn new word. For that, I would like to call Ovi.
Bharat. Today word of the day is population, meaning all the people live in a particular country, area or place. Thank you.
Thank you, Ovi. Now let us hear a beautiful thought by Ashaz.
Today's thought of the day is population growth is the primary source of environmental damage. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ashaz. Now I would like to call Samartha Mankar to deliver a short speech on World Population Day.
Jai Bharat everyone, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to deliver a short speech on World Population Day. World Population Day is an annual event observed on July 11 every year which seek on raise awareness of global population issue. The world population is increasing at a very rapid rate. So the time has come when we have to take this issue serious. Growing population hamper the social and economic growth and development of a country account. So the UN report 2017, the current world population is 7.6 billion and will become 8.6 billion in 2030. We must understand that our population is the main reason behind all other problems. The advantage of celebrating the World Population Day is to grab the attention of people together on this serious issue. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Samartha for a such beautiful speech. Let us start with an interacting season of our assembly, that is quiz season. For that, I would like to call Aisha.
Let us start with quiz. My first question is, when is World Population Day observed? Answered in 11th July. My second question is, name the largest country in the world population-wise. Answer, China. My third question is, when was World Population Day established? Answer, in 1989. My fourth question is, name the least populated country in the world. Answer, Vatican City.
Thank you, Aisha, for such brainstorming question. Now it's time to hear some adverse effects of population growth. For that, I would like to call our respected class teacher, Mrs. Madhura Keluskar ma'am.
Jai Bharat, dear students. Population explosion refers to the rapid increase in the number of people in an area. It is a situation where the economy cannot cope up with the rapid growth of population. So let us see some adverse effect of this high population. The rapid growth of population has led to the problem of food scarcity and heavy pressure on land. Generating employment opportunities for such a huge population is very difficult. Therefore, unemployment is increasing rapidly everywhere and every year. Development of infrastructural facilities is not able to cope up with the pace of growing population. So, facilities like transport, communication, housing, education, and healthcare are becoming inadequate to provide provision to the people. Due to overconsumption of natural resources by overpopulated countries, natural resources are getting depleted at a faster level. Similarly, there is the degradation of the environment, which happens because of overuse of resources like coal, oil, natural gases, and more. As a result, the quality of air also gets affected in this manner. So we need to overcome this serious issue by raising public awareness and enlisting strict population control norms. Thank you.